Observations are deliberate, systematic, and selective watching and listening to the problem or phenomena. They are useful to record the behavior of individuals. They are divided into participant and non-participant observations. Participant observations involve the researcher's participation. Non-participant observations don't involve researcher participation. Observation may occur in natural and controlled conditions. Methods to record observations. Narrative recording, where researchers use their own words and notes to describe and record the observation. Using scales, using categories, and using electronic devices. Limitations of observations include: participants may change their behaviors if they know that they are being observed. This is known as the Hawthorne effect. Observer bias. The interpretation of observations may vary between observers, and an incomplete observation or record may occur. Interviews are a common method to gather information from people. They are divided into structured, or rigid, and unstructured, or flexible interviews. Advantages of interviews include: suitable for complex situations, suitable to collect in-depth information, additional information could be gathered, question clarification could be achieved. Disadvantages of interviews include: take longer time to answer questions. The quality of data is affected by the quality of interaction and skill of the interviewer. The bias of the researcher may be involved. The questionnaire is a written list of questions intended to be answered by participants. Questionnaires could be conducted by mail, that's known as mailed questionnaires, meeting participants in a private place, that's known as collective questionnaires, or in public places. Type of questions. Open-ended questions that did not include possible answers in the questionnaire, or close-ended questions that include possible answers in the questionnaire. To ask effective questions. Use simple and normal language. Use questions that have one meaning. At each point, ask one question only. Don't ask questions that direct the participants to answer in a certain way, which are known as leading questions. Don't base your questions on assumptions. Advantages of questionnaires include less expensive and increased anonymity. Disadvantages of questionnaires include applicable for participants who can read and write only, lower response rate by the participant, self-selection bias, questions cannot be clarified, response to a question may be affected by other questions, and consulting of the participant with others may occur.